A couple weeks ago, I already drew and painted a rooster. So today I'm going to draw and paint a little chick. Let's start with a simple drawing. What's the big structure of a little chick? And first is the big oval shape for the body, like that. And then a little oval shape for the head. And I'm going to see if I have enough space for the leg. I think it's fine. Okay, that's good. So after we have, let's refine a little oval shape. This small oval shape for the head. A little triangle for the mouth. It's very easy, isn't it? And the leg over here. There's one. Like that. And then another one. This one, the angle a little bit on this side. This a little bit more vertical. This one like a 45 degree. Okay. Draw slowly and get it correct first. I think that's a little bit too long. So come back over here like that. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a little bit more details and take a look at the mouth like this. Okay, to draw the big shape like a little triangle first, coming up over here, and then here you go. The pencil I'm using is 2H, and then the little line in the middle, like that. That's good. Now I'm gonna draw the outside and come back to draw the eye a little bit later. Okay, coming this way, connected. Okay, and the mouth over here. Now I'm gonna draw softly the little round over here, and then a little straight, and then round again, like that. It's very simple, like that. Now we're gonna add the eye. The eye also another small oval shape right over here. Fine tune the leg. Okay. Draw again. Look carefully. Coming over here now. Come turn down a little bit. Open up a little bit. And there is a little finger over here. Like that. Have a little bit nail like this. And here you go. That's good. Now from here coming down and open up a little bit like that, and see a little finger on the other side, and because it's very young chick, so the nail is still very, very soft, like this. Now come to on this one. Okay, like that. And then coming over here, and a little claw, and so a little big finger over here, like that. That's good. Now we're ready. Let's see where is the wing. The wing is here. It's very soft, like. And that's good enough. I'm gonna use the water brush to paint this chick. Okay, first I'm gonna use a very light yellow color to start with. So let's see. Maybe add a little red, a little bit, So that's good. A little bit softer color. Okay, like that. I can squeeze a little bit water from the brush, like that. And I can paint this color into the mouth. The mouth is actually going to be darker than this color. And I'm going to show you how to paint the shadow. So first, with this color all the way coming down, when you use a water brush, you very much don't really need much water. It just use the water in the brush. Okay, like that. A little bit more yellow, has a little bit red, a little bit more water coming out from the brush, like that. That's good. That's good. Now I'm going to add some, a little bit more yellow and a little bit red, like that. So I'm going to have this a little bit more, a little more. So the color fade away because it has lots of water. Okay, a little bit more, like this. Add the color a little bit bigger, like that. Okay, have a few lines, like that. That's good. On this side, it's gonna appear a little bit darker because the shadow. So first, on the top over here, also have a little bit darker on here, like that. So make it look like a little bit more dimensional. And I'm going to soften the color over here. That's good. And the bottom over here, I'm going to add a little bit blue color. So it looks a little bit more like a brown color at the bottom here. So it looks a little bit darker. Because the shadow. That's good. It's very easy to mix the color. I'm going to have this a little bit darker than right over here. That's good. Like that. And I'm going to tap a little bit like that. I'm going to wash the brush. I'm going to just going to have a little bit softer and the edge over here. So make it feel like the hair, a very soft hair. Like that. I'm going to get a little bit thicker color. Okay, that's good. I'm going to coming back here. A little bit more brighter color, a little bit thicker. Okay, that's good. I'm going to make this a little bit darker. So it's showing the face a little bit more round. Now I'm going to come down to use this orange color to paint the legs. And all the way over here, just use the same color. A little fingers at the front. Okay, the top over here can be a little bit darker. Now on this leg, it's very much the same color, but I'm going to catch the shadow on the leg a little bit later. Okay, another finger over here. Okay. I'm going to make it a little bit more red. I like it. It's very rich color. And the top over here, I can make it a little bit darker. So I add a little blue color, make it like a warm brown color for the catch the shadow at the top here. It's so easy. And the color looks so good. Now I connect the color down over here. I'm going to have a little bit brown color, very light color, just for the fingernail. A little bit here. Okay, now it looks much better. Now I'm going to come into paint the mouth. So just take this orange color, come in here, like that, and that look good already. Okay. So now I'm gonna come into paint the eye. The eye, I'm gonna use the blue color, a little bit more blue, and with the red color, and make a very dark color. And maybe I'm gonna paint the light color first. I'm gonna take this color. There's a little bit more blue color. It's gonna paint this first, like that. And after this dry, I'm going to paint the darker color a little bit later. Now, at this point, okay, I'm going to connect the color in here. And I'm going to paint a little bit, catch the shadow, just a little bit, catch the shadow like that. That's it. That looks good. That's good. Okay. Now let's wait a little bit so we can come into paint the eye. Now the eye already dried, so I'm gonna have much darker color. Just mix the blue color with the red color. This blue color have a little bit green tone, so that's why it's not just look like a purple. It's more look like a very dark, deep color. Okay, I'm gonna put this, the highlight. Here you go. Now the eye is finished. Now I come into paint a little bit details for the mouth. I think this can be a little bit more like that. And I'm also gonna paint the line between the upper lip and the lower lip. Okay, and here still want to make it a little bit darker because it has shadow, and over here too it has a little bit shadow. And now this painting is finished. Now it's your turn. Follow my step and you can paint this chick yourself. Also in the comment let me know what is your favorite animal.